Hey guys, here's another video, and in this one we are going to look how to remove BitLocker encryption on Windows 10. Now this is a pretty easy thing to do, and for those of you who don't know, BitLocker is an encryption feature which is available on Ultimate, Enterprise and Pro editions of Windows. It is basically designed to protect the data by providing encryption to the disk partition known as volume. As you can see here that the drive on my PC is encrypted with BitLocker, and you can identify it by this padlock icon over here, which tells you that the drive is encrypted. Okay, let's just start with unlocking this drive. I'll enter the password over here. Okay, now you can see that the drive is unlocked and it will remain unlocked until you reboot your PC. Now what we are going to do is to remove the BitLocker encryption completely from this drive. So first off, you can go down here to the start button and right click on it and go to the PowerShell with admin. This will open up the PowerShell window. Now what we need to do is to check the status on it. You can check the status by typing this command, which is manage-bde space dash status. Now once you have typed this command, on clicking enter, it will show you the status of the drive on your Windows operating system. Okay, you can see here that the drive E is completely encrypted, and to remove that encryption, I'll show you how to do it. So the protection is on for drive E. Now what we have to do is to type in our next command to remove the actual encryption on the drive. So type in disable-bitlocker space hyphen MountPoint and then inverted commas with the drive letter in between them. This is the drive letter I am going to need, so this can be different as per your Windows PC, so you have to type in accordingly. This will then disable the BitLocker on the drive. Type that out as it is and then change the letter E to the drive letter of your choice. Let's press enter. And what we'll be seeing is that the encryption on the drive will then be disabled. So now we should see some information come up on the screen which tells the mount point was E, decryption is in progress, and protection status is now off, which tells us that the drive has been successfully decrypted. Let's take a look at the actual drive itself, and you should see that the encryption padlock icon has now been removed. That means you have just removed the encryption, and it's that simple. Now there are other easier ways to turn this off as well, and I'll show you how to do that right now. But before proceeding, let me just enable the BitLocker once again for the sake of showing you guys other ways to disable it. Let me quickly go ahead and encrypt the drive with the BitLocker. By the way, if you're not aware of the procedure to encrypt the drive, so what you have to do is to right click on the drive and click on turn on BitLocker. Create a password over here. And save the recovery key to a place of your choice. It could be an external pen drive, it could be a document folder on your PC itself. Now here you can select to encrypt only the used disk space or the entire drive as per your choice. And finally start encryption. Now here you can see that the encryption has started. Let me just quickly skip it to the end as it might take a few minutes depending on the performance of your PC. Okay, once you are done with that, you can see that the drive is now encrypted again and you can see the padlock icon over here. Okay, the other way to remove encryption is inside the control panel. So let's open the control panel and basically go to system and security, and this will give you a link for BitLocker drive encryption. So you can click on BitLocker drive encryption or go to manage BitLocker, and here you should see the drive which tells you that the BitLocker encryption is on. Here you will get an access to all other things that you might want to use. So we will be looking for turn off BitLocker here. I will click on that and click on turn off BitLocker. This will start to decrypt the drive again, and once done, if you close it, you can see that the drive is now decrypted again with BitLocker. Let me quickly encrypt it again to show you other method to do that. Okay, now we have the BitLocker encrypted again, and from here by going to the manage BitLocker, You can also change the password for the BitLocker as well. But it does give you the access to manage BitLocker area where you will be able to turn off the BitLocker from this location as well. So I can see it's pretty straightforward and easy way to disable BitLocker. You can do it by either way, by going to the PowerShell and typing in the command, or by navigating to the control panel. So basically, this is how you would remove a BitLocker encryption and get access to the data on the drive. That's it for this video guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, click on the subscribe button. Take care, peace.